Hey guys, making another YouTube video today. This is just gonna be a short video, just a go-kart update. I put a key in there, stole it off the old lawnmower. It doesn't have electric start. I don't know if I can get electric start on this, but you have to have the key in there to start it. So that's that. This switch still works. And here's the big thing. The new modified exhaust pipe. It's a little bit rusted. I grinded up the top. Looks pretty cool. Moves a little bit. It's a little bit loose down here. I had to drill out some holes at the bottom so it would fit. It's a little bit big for it. So that's about it for modifications so far. And I got new foam. I think I already mentioned that. But start her up. It's noticeably louder. Especially when you drive, because once you get going and let off the gas, it pops. I still have the old muffler, so I can put that one on if it's too loud. I don't know. Trying to make it pop. There we go. I got this thing up to about like 16, 19 miles an hour the other day. Probably only doing about 14 maybe. Get out of the way, dum-dum. So yeah, the exhaust sounds pretty good. I'm glad I got the new key here, and we'll see you later.